Let's practice our short vowel sounds. Let's get our learning bodies ready before we get started. Your body should be sitting in a chair. Your feet are on the ground. Your back is up straight. And your eyes are watching the screen. Your ears are listening to me talk. Let's review our short vowel sounds. Listen. A says ah. E says eh. I says I. O says ah. U says Listen again. This time I'll just say the short vowel sounds. Ah, eh, I, ah, Okay, it's time for you to work with me. When the yellow arrow goes under a vowel, I want you to touch and say the sound with me. Ready? Touch and say, ah. Nice work. Get your finger ready to touch the next vowel. Your finger will touch the vowel, and your voice will make the vowel sound. Touch and say, ah. Great work. Here's your next one. Touch and say, I. Nice job. Touch and say, eh. Great job. Touch and say, Nice work touching and saying. For our next round, I'll make a sound and you should touch the sound with your finger. If you need some help, my yellow arrow will help you in a few seconds. Look at the screen, listen to the sound, and touch the letter when you hear the sound. Here's your first sound. Touch ah. Ah. Listen for your next sound. Touch ah. Ah. Listen for the sound. Keep your finger ready to point. Touch Listen for your next sound. Touch ah. Ah. Touch I. I. Nice work. Here's your last round. Now, I want you to say the sounds when the yellow arrow touches the sound. If you need some help, I'll come in a few seconds to help you. Ready? When the yellow arrow touches the sound, you say the sound. Ah. I. Ah. Ah. Great job reviewing your sounds. Okay, it's time for us to put what we've learned into practice. I'm going to give you 3 vowels. I'm going to say a vowel sound. I want you to touch the letter that makes that sound. Get ready. Your finger is ready to point. Your eyes are looking at the screen and your ears are listening. If you need some help, my yellow arrow will help you in a few seconds. Touch ah. Ah. O says ah. Listen for the sounds. Get your finger ready to point. Touch ah. Ah. A says ah. Get your finger ready to point. Ah. E says ah. Get your finger ready to point. U says ah. Here's your last one. Ah. O says ah. Nice job reviewing your short vowel sounds.